All right.
Time once again for The Law and You. We have with us today Ed Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman, two of the greatest lawyers around. Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow.
Great to have you back on set.
Very
Great to be
very
here.
nice compliment.
The
Thank you very
virtual
much.
Yes,
office.
of course. So
And you are the best host we've ever had.
Oh, thank you so much. I'll take that to the grave with me. Thank you. Now let's get to this question from Bob in Danville. Bob says, my daughter was hit by a drunk driver while walking home from a friend's house and was injured. The driver didn't immediately stop but was caught a few blocks away. The insurance company for the car said there is no coverage. We have uninsured motorist coverage. Can my daughter recover?
So let me see that for 1 second, because the interesting thing, so their daughter was hit, as long as your daughter lives at home, then she's going to be a resident relative in your house. So I guess the real question is whether your daughter lives at home or not. If your daughter doesn't live at home, if she has her own apartment, then she's not going to be able to get to your coverage, because she's not going to be insured under that particular policy. But if she lives at home, then she can get uninsured motorist coverage under your policy, because she's what's called a resident relative.
Through the home insurance.
Through the automobile insurance.
Oh, okay.
So this would be covered by the automobile insurance, because it happens as a result of the use of a motor vehicle, even though she's a pedestrian at the time. So if she lives at home, then she potentially could be covered under that policy.
If she does not?
Then if she doesn't live at home and she does not have her own personal policy, otherwise if she doesn't drive a car, then she has no.
She has the legal right to recover, but the funds trying to get them are going to be hard. So there's a classic example of why you need to have under and uninsured motorist coverage because of these situations. There's denials, there's uninsured vehicles. Protect you and your family. Spend the money on it. It's worth every penny.
And full tort.
Full tort.
Make sure you're full
Full
tort.
tort. No
Absolutely.
limited tort.
No limited tort. Full tort.
Full tort all the way. All right. Ed and Greg, thanks so much for your time today. We'll see you next time. If you have questions, reach out to them. Find them online or social media and send your questions to PAHomepage.com.